Hey, do you have a WordPress website and having difficulty in adding the widgets in the footer? So here are the step-by-step process. Hi, I am Nidhika from VowelWeb. Welcome to our WordPress tutorial. A footer is a bottom section of a website usually appearing on all pages throughout the site. A footer widget area is the section above the footer that include widgets from content and all the sections. Here you can see that we don't have a footer widget. To add the footer widgets, go to Dashboard, now go to Appearance, click on Widgets. Here you need to add the widgets in which you want to display in your footer section. We'll set this as per we have in our demo. So I am selecting here text. I am adding here into VW footer widget 1. Click on Add Widget. Here add your footer widget title. You can also add the media files. Click on Add Media to add the media file. Select the file and click on Add. You can also add the text. Click on Save. After saving, click on Done. Similarly, for footer widget 2, I am selecting here navigating menus. Select VW footer 2. Add the menu name. Click on Save, then Done. For footer widget 3, we are selecting Contact Us. Fill the requirements, for example, phone number, email address, timing. Click on Save and then Done. Now for the last widget, that is footer widget 4, I am selecting Recent Post. This will display all the posts which you have recently created. Add the recent post title. Then click on Save and Done. Now click on Visit Website. This is how you can add the footer widgets in your footer section. This is a VW Computer Repair Premium theme. To know more about this premium theme, you can visit us at vwthemes.com. If you have any query about this particular topic, you can comment below. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly please like, subscribe and press the bell icon for further updates.